Guys, welcome back. I know I haven't been uploading for a while now, and yeah, this weather's just been pretty bad recently. It's either blazing hot or is it raining. Just not ideal for installations. So what we have today is what you see in the title. It's going to be the downpipe and the front pipe. I had the parts for a while. I just didn't get the chance to install it. So here we go today. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be tackling that. And let me get you a sound clip before and after. Okay, what we need to do is we need to take out the turbo inlet pipe from this section, the titanium piece, and all the way down to the Cobra intake before the MAP sensor. All the way up to here before the MAP sensor, all the way down here. Take this piece off so we can get to the downpipe. Okay, as you can see, the turbo inlet pipe's been removed. You want to put something to cover up these areas. You don't want things to fall in, especially pollen season. You don't want all these things to fall inside your intake. So what I need to do is take off 3 bolts, about 1, 2, and 3. There's 3 bolts to take off this heat cover, and then we can tackle the downpipe afterward. Okay, not sure if you can see this well. There's 1, 2, 3, 1 back there, and 4, 1 down there. I hope the shade is not obstructing the view. And after these 4 bolts, I gotta tackle the bottom, so I gotta lift up the car. I already pre-sprayed some bolt loosener. Hopefully it won't strip or break off. So let's cross our fingers. Alright guys, we're underneath the vehicle right now. I just took off the splash plate down here. Don't want to bore you with that. So what we need to do now is take off these 3 screws and the one behind this bracket over here and this bracket over here. So that's total of 5 screws, 5 bolts. Need to remove. Let me spray something on. Hopefully it'll come out easily. Wait a few minutes so I can take a break. Yeah, and I can loosen, I believe, the front pipe as well. Okay, I can loosen the front pipe as well. Alright, I finally got these 2 taken out. It was quite difficult. I mean, by comparison, look at the size difference between those 2. Let's do it this way. This one is the MAPerformance. It comes in 2-piece. It'll be a lot better to install, a lot easier. This one I have to snake it out. And these 2, this one is much sleeker. I went with the black one for better heat, if that makes sense. Alright guys, everything is installed, put back together. Let's start it up and hear what it sounds like. Alright, Alright guys, now you hear it. The MAPerformance. I see a little bit of smoke coming out. Yeah. Hopefully that's from the WD-40. Alright. Alright, that's from the front pipe and downpipe. I don't know. I don't hear much. Well, I guess. Well, whatever. That'll be all for the video. I'll do an update on how it sounds like. I'll do a sound clip and a POV. So, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.